you know, as a leader, you carry this heaviness in your heart, and you're hoping that people will come and they will be smashed by God and get visions and purposes and meaning for their life. And I've seen the results of that, and even more. God is faithful. He has done exceedingly abundantly above and beyond all that we could ever think or ask for. And I've seen my friends and my sisters and my brothers completely smashed, set free, and living in liberty and just full of joy. And personally for myself, I have had one of the biggest confirmations in my life leading towards Summerfest. And while in the worship and preaching, I just felt such a great confirmation from God. Very clear, I heard Him very clearly, and I know that He set me up for a big win, and He's changed my life, and I know that this life is for God, and the Summerfest has completely just made sure that my life is set to make a difference.